you. I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right?
Hey girlfriends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Elaina. Today we're going to be opening up my very first Curlbox. Y'all, can you believe I've never bought a Curlbox before? I don't know, I've just never, I was never able to get on the subscription list or whatever. But from what I'm hearing these days, Curlbox is kind of like falling off the bandwagon or whatever. Like their boxes are not all that exciting as they used to be. But I was on the site and I saw a box or two that I thought would be really, really good. I mean, it had a variety of products in it. And as y'all know, some products can be upwards of like 16, 17, in the 20s even, for, you know, price range. And so when I saw, I'm not sure which box this is that I got. I think this might be the Curls Dynasty box, but I ordered a Curls Dynasty box and then I ordered a $10 box because I saw they had $10 Tuesday, and that box had a variety of products in it. It wasn't just one brand. Now I ordered the Curls Dynasty box because I had ordered Curls Dynasty, I think it was last year during my end of the year haul. I'll link it up here. But anyway, I got a little like bundle, but I didn't get the pumpkin treat deep conditioner. And that's one of the things that I really wanted to try from Curls Dynasty, along with the other products. But I missed out on the deep conditioner, and it was in some other product. I forgot what it was, but they had them in this Curlbox, and I figured I'm gonna like the leave-in, because everyone like raves about the leave-in, and the twisting cream, everyone raves about that as well. So I was like, well, I'm probably gonna like those anyway, so it doesn't really matter if I get duplicates of those. But I really wanted the pumpkin treat deep conditioner. Now I have my box here, but like I said, I'm not sure which one it is, if this is the Curls Dynasty box or if this is the $10 box. So we're gonna find out together. All right, let me go ahead and open it. Super excited about receiving this. Have y'all started your Black Friday shopping, Christmas shopping yet? Y'all know I have no business buying anything, but there's still some brands out there, believe it or not, that I have not tried that I still really want to try. And of course, brands are always coming out with new stuff too. So there it is. All right, so we have the infamous pink Curlbox. Super excited. Get it out of this box. I have a feeling this is the Curls Dynasty box. And it is. This is what it looks like. Oh boy, having a little difficulties here. This is what it looks like. That's Nikki, the owner. She's super, super sweet. I met her at a hair show, y'all, one year. I think it was like the year she came out. I met her there. She's super, super sweet. Oh, this was the other thing. The Cocoa Mint shampoo. That's what it was. So let me just show y'all what it looks like. There's a couple of things in here that I was missing. So this is what the box looks like. Very, very pretty. Love the packaging. So the three things actually that I was missing from my previous little bundle is the Cocoa Mint shampoo. Okay. Also the Give Me Slip Boost Hydration Conditioner. As well as the Pumpkin Deep Treatment. So those are the three that I was actually missing. I do already have the Kalahari Smoothie leave-in, and I have the Twisted Definition as well. And I want to say I have another product, but I can't remember what it is. I'll try to put it in when I edit the video. Let you know what the other product is that I have, because I think it was a bundle of 3 that I had gotten before. But like I said, I did want to complete the collection, and for $20 I was like, bet I'll buy it. So this way I get to try everything in the collection. So super, super excited Who has tried Curls Dynasty? Let me know in the comment section down below if you've tried it. I know I'm kind of old. Well, not old. I'm kind of late to the party when it comes to Curls Dynasty because I have yet to try any of the products, but I am super excited to try them, and I'm hopefully going to try them really, really soon. Yeah, so that was my very first Curlbox unboxing, y'all. Yeah, stay tuned for the other one. I think I ordered 3 boxes because I did get on the subscription list. Then I ordered this, and then I saw a $10 Tuesday, and my $10 box is already shipped, so it should be here very, very soon. Sometime this week. Probably Tuesday. Today is Saturday when I'm filming this, so I anticipate that it will be to me by Tuesday because I saw it had shipped. I'm gonna say yesterday. And this didn't really take that long, and they're out of Georgia and I'm in Georgia, so it should get to me soon. But yeah, you guys, let's look at this little pamphlet thing that they gave us here. This says Curls Dynasty, and look at her looking like a baddie on there. So pretty. And this just basically tells you a little bit about each product. The Curls Dynasty Give Me Slip Blast Hydration Conditioner is a co-wash and condition with this aloe, rosemary, and sugarcane infused treatment formulated to lessen breakage and shedding. The Cocoa Mint Moisture Rich Shampoo, revitalizing cocoa collides with invigorating mint in this moisturizing cleanser that softens stiff curls. The Twisted Definition Twisting Cream is a gel-like cream that provides softness and definition with marshmallow root and curl-boosting ginger. The Pumpkin Mint Deep Treatment Mask strengthen weak follicles with this antioxidant-rich pumpkin mask. High in vitamin E, this restorative treatment reduces breakage and silken strands. I think I want to use that like really, really soon. That sounds really good. Strengthens the follicles. I'm down. And the Kalahari Smoothie Leave-In, boosted with Kalahari oil. This melon-infused leave-in spoils curls with high amounts of omega-6 essential fatty acids. All of that sounds so wonderful. I cannot wait to use Curls Dynasty. Super, super hype. What is this? Exclusive Curlbox subscriber 50% off discount. What? I had a 50% off discount. And this is just a little card from Curlbox. It says, "Hey Curlfriend, show off your style. We want to see how you use the products in this month's Curlbox. Tag us with this Curlbox on Instagram, showing off your products or your hairstyle for your chance to win this month's prize." I don't know if I'm going to do that, but it's there. I'm assuming they have this in every month since it says this month's prize. But yeah, y'all, that is it. That's all I have today for my unboxing of my Curlbox. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, hit your post notifications, turn them on so you never miss a video from me. And also, do me a favor and hit the like button on your way out. It definitely helps other girlfriends find me, and just helps my channel out. It helps me get seen. So thank you all for watching. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace out.